Is your adorable Jack Russell Terrier looking more curious about your dinner plate than their own bowl? Let's help them make a healthy switch to a balanced dry dog food diet. Step 1. The gradual introduction. Forget abrupt changes. For the first 23 days, start by mixing just 25% of their new dry dog food with 75% of their current table food. This gentle approach allows their digestive system to slowly adapt. Step 2. Incremental increases over the next 23 days. Increase the dry food ratio to 50% dry food and 50% table food. Observe your terrier for any signs of upset stomach, like loose stools or gas. If you notice anything, slow down the transition. Step 3. The majority shift now. It's time to lean more towards the dry food for the third phase. Aim for 75% dry dog food and 25% table food for another 23 days. Remember to stick to appropriate portion sizes for your Jack Russell's age, weight, and activity level. Your veterinarian can help you determine this. Step 4. The full transition. Once your terrier is comfortable, you can finally transition to 100% high-quality dry dog food. Continue to monitor them for a few days to ensure everything is running smoothly. This dedicated dry food diet will provide all the essential nutrients for their continued health and playfulness. If you encounter persistent digestive issues or have concerns, don't hesitate to consult your veterinarian. They can offer personalized advice and ensure your Jack Russell is thriving on their new, balanced diet.